fine. In our previous class, we are discussing what is simple equation. What is simple equation, and also write the LHS, RHS and exercise number 3.1. Today, I will explain one more definition of what is an equation. What is an equation? What is an equation? Equation, two expressions is called an equation. An equation contains an equal to sign. Equal to sign. For example, 2x plus 5 equal to 3. Here left LH is equal to 2x plus 5 and RHS equal to 3. That means LHS means the left hand side is equal to the sign. Is equal to the sign is called LHS. Left hand side is equal to sign is called LHS. The right hand side is of equal to the RHS. Equal to the RHS. It is called RHS. The right hand side is equal to sign is called RHS. This is the equation. This is the equation definition. Already we know what is an equation. An equation, two expressions is called an equation. An equation contains an equal to sign. An equal to sign. For example, LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. So now we are going to discuss what is the difference between the equation and expression. What is the difference between the equation and expressions? We already know the equation. Equation means it is equal to the sign. LH is equal to RHS. So first one, equation, it contains the unequal sign. That is, for example, 2x plus 3 equal to 24. That means LH is equal to RHS. This is the equation definition. So coming to expression, it does not contain equal sign. It does not contain equal sign. It is not mandatory to LHS equal to RHS. So 3x, example 3x plus 4. It does not contain equal sign. So coming to second one, we solve an equation. Find the value of the variable. See, in this example, 2x plus 3 equal to 24. In this one, we have to find the variable. In this, which is the variable? X is the variable. So we have to find the value of the variable. Coming to expression, we simplify equation. We did not find we have to simplify the equation. So in this, we have to find the value of the variable. In this one, we have to simplify the equation. So this is the difference between the equation and expression. Equation and expression. Coming to next one. Finding what is an solution of an equation. What is the solution of an equation? Finding the solution of an equation or solution of an equation means finding the value of the variable. Finding the value of the variable or unknown that satisfy that all the equations. For example, here I am taking next 5x plus 5 plus x equal to 8. 5 plus x equal to 8. So here we already know is equal to left hand side is equal to the right hand side. This is the equation definition. So in this example, 5 plus x is equal to 8. We have to find the solution of this given problem. How to find? We have to find the value of the variable. Here x is the variable. So here I will here in x value, which number is have to take in, that number is LHS equal to RHS. 2 is satisfied with x value. For example, here take x equal to 1, put some value into x value 1 equal to 8. So 6 plus 8, it is not equal to LHS. Not equal to LHS equal to RHS. Let's see, for example, x value take 2, that means 5 plus 2 equal to 8. LHS equal to RHS. 7 plus 7 equal to 8. 7 is also not equal to the 8. Coming to x value 3, put some x value of x plus 3 equal to 8. 8 plus 8 equal to 8. So here the solution of the variable x equal to 8 value is satisfied to get the x value x value 3 is value satisfied to get the value LHS equal to RHS. So in this way we have to find the given problem to find the value of the variable x. So this process to find the solution of an equation. Previously learned what is an equation, what is an expression, what is the difference between the equation and expression, and also the solution of an equation. So now we are going to learn rules while solving equations. Rules for while solving an equation. Rules for while solving an equation. The equation remains the same if we first one add same number to both sides, add same number to both sides. Here I am taking example x minus 1 equal to 8. X minus 1 equal to 8. If you add same number to both sides, both numbers to the both sides in the equation, for example, you have to get the value x value, variable x value, find out the x value. So how to remove the minus 1? How to remove the, in this given equation, how to remove the minus 1? How to remove the, here I want to add both sides plus 1, 8 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, x value equal to 9. Therefore the solution of the solution of the x minus 1 equal to 8 in the given equation, value x equal to 9. X equal to 9. Add same numbers to the both sides. Add the both numbers to the both sides. If you add LHS plus 1, and also we have to add the same number into its RHS. So in this we have to find the x value. Next one, second one, subtract same number to the both sides. It also same. First example, solve x plus 3 equal to 7. Now we are learned the one method to solve the simple equations. Now we are already learned the one method in previously solved the simple equations, that is trial method and error method. Trial method and error method. In this method we have to substitute the values on the variable. Unknown, you have to substitute the values on the variables on the unknown. So we have to find for what value substitute the equation. We have to find the what value substitute the equation becomes true. So that means LHS equal to which value you have to substitute the variable to find the value. LHS equal to RHS. But this method is time consuming because we need to substitute the values on the variable till both LHS equal to RHS. To overcome this problem, so then another method to solve the equation. Let us see. Here we will get the LHS equal to given equation was x plus 3 equal to 7. LHS equal to x plus 3. LHS equal to 3. In this, we will learn the RHS. So, we remove plus 3. We remove plus 3 in the RHS. Plus 3 in the LHS. So, how to remove plus 3? How to remove plus 3? Here we add minus 3. That means subtract minus 3. We will get the x value. In the same way, what we are adding in the LHS and also the same number is adding in the RHS also. So here we have to get here subtract the minus 3, 7 minus 3. That means minus cancel, x equal to 7 minus 3 equal to 4. So in this way we have to given equation is x plus 3 equal to 7. X plus 3 equal to 7. So here we can get the x value to remove the plus 3. In which number we have to add to remove the 3. That means minus 3. Minus 3 is added to both sides. You will remove the plus 3. So we get the answer is x is equal to 4. X equal to 4. Let's check the LHS equal to RHS or not. So x plus 3 equal to 7. X value equal to 4. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. That means 7 plus 7 equal to 7. Therefore the LHS equal to RHS. In this which number, in the LHS equal to RHS. If the x value is true or not, first we have to check it once. X value is 4. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 7 equal, RHS equal to 7. So LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. So here which number I am adding? So subtract minus 3. Subtract minus 3 on the both sides. Minus 3 on the. Why I am subtract minus 3 only on both sides? You may have to get the x value to remove the plus 3. So which number is adding LHS and RHS? You remove the plus 3. So minus 3 is added. So we will get the plus 3 minus 3 is cancelled. X value is equal to 4. So in this way we have to solve the equation, given equation solution. So x value is equal to 6. This is the solution of the equation. Coming to example 2. example 2. Y minus 7 equal to 9. Find the solving the equation. Here also same. You will get the value variable. Variable means y. Y is the variable. You may have to find the value of the y. So here we will get the y value to remove the 7. Remove the 7. In which number is adding this number to remove this 7. So adding plus 7, so 7 is removed. So y minus 7 plus 7 equal to 9 minus 7. If you add LHS left hand side and that same number is also adding the RHS also. Here to remove the minus, to will get the y value, variable value, to remove the y is here. So I am adding 7 in the both sides. So plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. Y equal to 9 plus 7 16. 9 plus 7 16. So here y value is equal to 16 is correct or not? How to check? So substitute the y value in this given equation. So given equation y minus 7 equal to 9. Y value is equal to 16 minus y equal to 7. So 9 equal to 9. So LHS equal to RHS. In this we are having another method is also, I will explain this method also. Y minus 7 equal to 9. We already know the rules for solution of the given equation. In this, for sixth rule, if the minus 7 is there, we have to find the variable y equal to 9. It minus division, subtraction is there, it will becomes, after the RHS, move the RHS, it become plus addition. So 9 plus 7, y equal to 16. Y equal to 16. It is also same. Y value or LHS or LHS equal to RHS. How to check? Find. We have to already find the y value. Y value is equal to 16. This value is substitute the given equation. So 16 minus 7 equal to 9. 9 equal to 9. So LHS equal to RHS. This is the one method. You have to solve this problem. In this method also you have to solve the problem. Here y minus 7 equal to 9. Y equal to, we have to find the value y equal to 9 plus minus 7 it will become plus 7. So y equal to 16. How it check? How its y value 16 is correct or not? We have to substitute this value into given equation. So we have to find the same LHS equal to RHS. 9 and 9. So answer is 9. Coming to third example, let's see. In first example, you have to do the addition, and second one subtraction. In this example 3, multiplication. 5x equal to minus 30. This is the third example. In this example, we have to find the equation, solution for the equation. So here we will get the value x. So 5 is removed. 5 we have to remove the 5. How can we remove the 5? Multiply the In this, dividing the 5 on both sides, so 5 is removed. So here given equation, equal to 5x equal to minus 30. Dividing both sides on the 5 to get the x value, to dividing divide both sides in 5. If you multiply, if you divide 5x by 5 and also divide that same number on the RHS also, LHS and RHS, we have to divide the both numbers. So 5 by 5 cancel, x is equal to how many times? 6 times. So answer is minus 6. In this, x value is true or not, how will we check? So given, we have to take the given equation, 5x equal to minus 30. 5x equal to minus 30. So 5 into x value minus 6 is equal to minus 30. So 5 6 is 30, minus equal to minus 30. So LHS equal to RHS. So in this way, we have to find the given number to the using multiplication method. In this, having another method is also, I will explain. 5x is equal to minus 30. In this, we have to find the variable x value. So we already know the multiplication. In this LHS multiplication, it will become RHS division. So x equal to minus 30 by 5. How many times? 6 times. X equal to minus 6. X equal to minus 6. So the minus 6 value is LHS and RHS are equal or not. How to check? We have to find the value into given equation. 5 into minus 6 equal to minus 30. So minus 30 equal to minus 30. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. This is the second and then method for this given problem.